Welcome users back to our channel. So in today's video we will see how to install extra codecs for your Linux distro. So open your terminal. Here you put this command sudo apt install ttf ms core fonts dash installer rar unrar lib av codec dash extra GStreamer version 1 dash lib audio video GStreamer version 1 dash plugins dash ugly GStreamer version 1 VAPI. Now exactly what we are doing is we are trying to install the TTF MS core fonts, that is the Microsoft fonts are being installed using the terminal. So many times what happens is users want to do some professional create some professional documents with Microsoft fonts only. So they can use this command to install the Microsoft fonts in their Linux desktop and make some professional looking documents. RAR and UNRAR are zip and unzip to zip and unzip program. Lib AV codec extra is the extra audio video codecs which are not generally included in the default desktop. GStreamer plugin lib AV is the library, audio video library for GStreamer, and GStreamer plugins ugly is the ugly plugins means those plugins that are not thoroughly tested or they are underperforming, they are not properly programmed. And GStreamer VAPI is the graphics plugin for Intel. Okay, now give the password, sudo password, then it will check the package list, build a dependency tree, read state information. Right now it is telling us that GStreamer lib AV is already the newest version, GStreamer plugins ugly is already the newest version. So only lib ARI BB 24, lib AV codec extra 58 and lib VA Wayland 2 are going to be installed, and the documentation of the WAPI driver will also be installed. The following package will be installed: lib AV codec 58. So instead of lib AV codec 58, we will now install lib AV codec extra 58. So there are some extra codecs inside this package. 8 will be newly installed packages, 1 package will be removed and 0 will be upgraded. So require 6162 KB of archives. After operation 2695 KB of additional space will be used. Do you want to continue? Yes. So then it will get the new packages, pre-config packages, remove previously selected unselected package lib arib 24 AMD 64 version. Then it will read the database of files and directories. Then it will start to unpack the new installation packages. Now there are some dependency problems have cropped up, but it will remove them as per our request that we need to install these packages. And it will resolve the package dependencies. To install the MS Core fonts, it will go to SoundForge website. download the installer and install the MS Project Core fonts. It will take some time. It takes around 5 minutes to install all this. See, it is downloading. It is a long process, but after downloading, see, Arial font, Arial bold, Arial BI, Arial, then Comic BD, all the typical Microsoft fonts are getting installed. Courier is there, Courier bold is there, Georgia Z, Georgia B bold. Okay, so Times bold, Times, then the Trebuch BD, Verdana is there, it is a popular font. So all have been installed, all the packages you had requested has been installed, and you just restart your system and the effects will take place. All the new packages will be affected and you can enjoy the new packages.